Hello everyone. In this video, we will find out how we can register to Slato app maths courses. As you see, this is the Slato dashboard, and let me now go into mathematics class 8 to 10. I get inside this. What I will see is I have a list of courses available from Slato. Class 10 WBBSE, class 10 CBSE and so on. Suppose I want to register myself at class 8 WBBSE English medium. I go into class 8 WBBSE English medium. The first topic is rational numbers. I get inside that. As I do that, you will see there is a bottom panel at the footer and I have three buttons: buy now, delete all files and ask doubts. I will click on buy now. Once I click on buy now, I have the overview course. Once I click come into the overview course, I have buy now option. I click on buy now option and I come to this particular screen. This is my profile screen. If you have already updated your profile, you might not come to this screen. For those who have not updated their profile, they will come to this screen and they will need to update the details over here. My phone number is already there. Email ID is, I will update the email ID, say info@slatoapp.com. Let me choose class. I'm in class 8, so I'm choosing class 8. Let me choose school name. I can write my own school name. Suppose I study in Ramakrishna Mission. I will write Ramakrishna Mission School. Whatever be your school name, you should write that. Pin code, I will enter my pin code. Suppose I enter a pin code. Let me choose my board. I'm in WBBSE board. And now let me, gender, whatever will be your gender, you can choose male, female or other. Let me choose male and save. As soon as I enter my details, I am taken to the payment screen. In the payment screen, I will again be asked to give my phone number. My email ID is already there. And now let me proceed. You can see there is a button. Payment is secured by Razorpay, class 8. The value is given here and I will proceed. Once I come here, I have been given a series of options. I can pay using card, I can pay using UPI, I can pay using net banking, I can pay using wallet, EMI, any option. Okay, you can choose any of the options, okay, to pay. UPI. As soon as you go to UPI, you have a series of other options. You can pay with Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Bhim, or any other UPI app. Or you can also pay using your UPI ID. Okay, you can give your UPI ID over here. You can pay using that. Then net banking, you can choose your bank, okay, and the respective banks. Suppose you don't have your bank listed over there, you can pay here. And then any other wallet, you can have a Phone Pay wallet, you can have Airtel Money or anything, Ola, whatever options are possible. There are varieties of payments options. You can use any one of them to make a payment. You can choose, suppose it's Phone Pay, you choose Phone Pay, whatever be the option. Or using, credit card, debit cards, EMI option, that is linked to your bank actually. Only people who have credit card and debit cards will be able to use this. Or ICICI Bank Pay Later option, whatever is convenient for you. From here, once you can choose the right option and make the payment. Once you make the payment, you will see your that you have been enrolled for that particular course. Thank you so much. In case you have any other query, please reach out to us at 9991119428, either by WhatsApp, or you can directly call to this number, or you can mail us at info@slatoapp.com. If you like our work, please review us in Play Store by giving a 5-star and also by writing a good review about our app. Slato is an initiative of Krishworks Technology and Research Labs and IIM Calcutta Innovation Park Incubating. Thank you.